When you log into your EIGS account, the expense report dashboard has a field called funding source. This identifies the type of funding used on a particular payment, such as federal or state. The funding source can also be found on individual expense reports. Payments using federal sources will include the Federal Award Identification Number, or FAIN. Due to the nature of the Part C grant, there may be multiple FAINs active during a given program year. Payments using state sources will indicate the State General Revenue Fund, or GRF, dollars that are used. The funding source will appear blank on the expense report until DODD approves the payment. All expense reports with the paid status will have a funding source identified. Expense reports are marked paid when the DODD approval process is complete but before payments are released. So use the dashboard as a resource when working with your local revenue team to correctly code deposits. Please note that each expense report refers to the program month, not the month that payments were actually issued or received. For example, a November expense report is completed by the county in December and might not be paid until January. The funding source information should augment, not replace, local efforts to track federal and state grant funds. Please continue to use your local accounting systems to determine what expense reports to include for the purposes of federal CFA reporting. DODD continues to communicate disbursement and funding source information to the field to aid in the completion of the CFA and other federal reports as needed in order to assist counties in meeting the reporting requirements set forth in Section 200.510 of the Uniform Guidance.